केलो तुका येवन पर्सनली असो टच करून मेळटलो म्हणून बिकॉज नाव यू हॅव बिकम अ टायप ऑफ अ लेजंड एवरीबडी इज लुकिंग आउट हू इज दीस कॉस्ट नाव पयले सातेर सगळ्यांक तुमकांय देव बरें दीस दिवं आनी आयज एक म्हाका व्हडलें भाग सर कोस्ता सराशी पावलो म्हणून आनी आय मस्ट बी ग्रेटफूल टू माय लगोटी फ्रेंड आगुस्तो डिसिल्वा नायस दॅट आमचो गांवचो भाव आनी खंयच्यान तर देव पावयता म्हणटा तशें थ्रू आल्बर्ट अँड आगुस्तो डिसिल्वा आयज आमकां एक भाग मेळ्ळें सर कोस्ता सराक मेळपाक निमित्त म्हणजे आतां एक पिक्चर येयलां पिक्चराचें नांव कोस्ता ताका लागून सो हो तुजो कलीग कस्टमांतलो तुय कस्टमांतलोच तुय सुप्रिटेंडंटूच रिटायर जालो सो फर्स्ट अँड फॉरमोस्ट what you would like to say for him as a colleague?
Sir, congratulations first
Thank
of
you,
all.
thank you, thank you.
And Muntaz, he has done a very good job. When he made a case in 1991, we were just joined. I was joined in Bombay Custom, and Swaraj is Goa Custom, and he has done a very good job. I'm telling ऐकली अरे सरांनी तो daring केलं, and it is not possible. Daring ना जाल्यार काय नाही ना. And being a honest man, ताका लागून ताका राष्ट्र जस्टिस मेळ्ळी.
So, thank you, Augusto, once again. And let us go direct to the point. म्हाका हिंगा हाडपाक एक लौकीक शेलकर म्हणून प्रुडंट मिडियाचो तो हिंगा पावलो म्हणून हांवें आयकलें आनी तेजी जेन्ना इंटरव्यू तुकडे पयली सो आय वॉज व्हेरी मच टेकन लायक अरे आमचो गोंयकार बॉम्बे रावता आनी गोंयासान कोण रिपोर्टर जावं एडिटर्स ते बॉम्बे पावले तुजी इंटरव्यू घेवपाक आनी आमकां कांयच खबर ना सो ही वॉज माय इन्स्पिरेशन because through him I got motivated. So I also would like to thank Laukik Shelkar of Prudent Media. At the first and foremost, let me come directly as what Augusta may be knowing, but we want to know from the horse's mouth. Who's Costa?
I am Costa from Goa, and I was from beginning only we are the sports people, and from small only we played football, and football was the main, this cradle of Goa, and that was the time, and I was playing in the second division when I was only 12, and from then I was famous in Goa because of football. And then when I joined the college, I become more famous because of my joining the Chogule College. Chogule College has become #1 in Goa.
I am proud that you are a Chugleite. I was Chugleite. I started in 81.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah. So, beyond that, anything in short about your family?
Family is always,
Wife, children?
when family is good, all are settled. I got 3 children. They all are settled and they are doing very well. I am proud of them. They have never troubled my this working style of my
Your honesty.
and my bravery and my courage. They always encourage me.
They were never scared.
No, they never scared.
Their lives or your lives?
No, they said when Dada is there is no problem.
Oh, great. It's nice. And 3 children is like how many daughters and sons?
1 daughter, 2 sons.
Okay, good. So they are all well to do now, well settled in the
Yeah,
society.
in their profession.
Okay. तुझी म्हाका एक जर्नी सांग. Right from complaint to FIR to CID to CBI to the court and then a free.
Actually, FIR पहिलं पोलिसांनी Panjim CID in Commerce investigation when I surrendered there in the Panjim police station. Then from there the journey started. From there only I said I have to give my statement to the police, initial statement. Then I said before my statement I should be taken for medical. And IG said, why we after statement also we can take you. But I said no. First, I have to be medical this thing, then only I'll give the statement. Then they took me for the medical this thing, checkup and all that this thing. All report has, everything has come to this thing. Then we recorded the statement.
But there is one more story going round in Goa. Some of the people, because those जे लोक जाणा ते थोडे म्हणतात who are supporter of the people who are against you, let's say. The victim who in the scuffle got into trouble आणि तुवें ताका कितें 27 लाखांचे कितें कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट धरले बेतलान आनी तुवें ताका कितें आनी तो शेअर ताका तुवें दिना जावन तुवें ताका you failed to give him certain share of that contraband. That is why you are taking revenge on him, because he went on asking him for his share.
No, this is absolutely wrong.
It is a proud moment to all the Indian Mundu, especially Goans, and to zero down all the custom staff, and आमकां गोंयकारांक especially. So, suddenly there was a gap. Though to 91 and door, 91 till today. Popa gele 30 वर्षां माय झाली. Almost 34 years. Yeah. Suddenly this Kostau, who was there during our childhood, was cut off from the life of every Indian Goan builder. Suddenly Kostau came into limelight. How this started about this movie?
Actually, when the incident was happened only, so many directors came from Bombay to approach me and to make the movie.
Acha, in those days, huh?
In those days.
Oh, yeah.
But I was always refused. I said I don't want any movie and this thing. I don't want to become hero of this. So I'm already hero. So why to become more hero this thing?
Yeah.
So that was my this thing, and I don't want it, and I was serving the department, and to make a movie then I have to take the permission from the board and office and everything, all liabilities were there. So that's why I said I don't want to this.
But also I heard तुझे चेडवान तुका एक boost दिलो, encouragement दिले, that go ahead. If a movie can be made and somebody can be inspired through your real life story to a real life, why not? आणि त्यांना तू मातशें मोव जालो आणि you accepted it or something?
हाँ, actually proposal मुझे बॉस आसलो तो मुझे लेक्चर दितालो इन ट्रेनिंग इंस्टिट्यूट ऑफ आवर अकॅडमी आणि म्हाका अपॉइंट तो तांकां लेक्चर दिवपा लायतालो आणि त्या लेक्चरांक ते मातशे मोटिवेट जाताले. तेका लागून तो सदांच म्हणटालो कोस्तांव, इफ एनीबडी इज बिकम लायक यू फ्रॉम दिस लॉट इज माय bonus point.
Very good.
And always from Banduk to Faridabad he transferred. There also he used to send me the ticket, flight ticket, and take me there for the lecture, so that anybody is come out of the thing from that batch. It is a good for the department and for the nation. So then this director has approached him. And he called me, Fernandes, one director is come, he want to write story about you. What you want to do? I said, I always refuse, sir. So now, no. Now I am also retiring and you are also retired. So this, if anybody get motivated by this inspiration of this movie, then it will be good for the nation.
Yes, why not?
So I thought about it. Then I called my daughter.
Oh.
I said, Shani, this is what proposal is come. And they want to make movie on me. So what should I do? Says, Dada, very good. You have to go ahead. Because this is for the nation. And if this message goes, if more officers become like you, anybody taking the distinct pride in your honesty and bravery and courage and all that, it will be good for the nation and nation will improve.
Good.
So that I agreed when my daughter said this thing. And then I said to her, you only narrate the story.
Very good.
And she got ready to narrate the story.
Excellent. Some things are bridging between you and me. Maka, I have two children, one son and one daughter. And my daughter is the eldest. Being the eldest, she has always been a backdoor advisor to us. आणि आम्ही सगळी ताका कलेक्टर म्हणटा तिथे येयले ती ऑर्डर तिगासाठी येवंक जाय म्हणून सो टील टुडे ऑल्सो शी इज द वन हू इज गिविंग द फायनल ऑथॉरिटी म्हणटा सो फादर इज ऑलवेज क्लोज टू द डॉटर.
No, when
Good.
my daughter was small only, when she was 2-3 years, she used to tell Mama, I am daddy's son, I'm nobody's son.
Well,
You beat me with jadu also, I don't care.
good.
So that's why I always, she was close to me. That's why I always consult her this.
Good, good. सर म्हाका आनी एक सांग जाय तो प्रेशर आहलोलो तुजेर हाव डीड यू लीव सम एविडन्स म्हणटा तो ते गाडयेन भांगार आहलेलेच म्हणून तुवें डीड यू मेक इट फायनली.
No, when I stopped the car and when the accused was in the car, but in this when he got injured, I took the key and opened the dicky and opened the box and removed the one gold biscuit and showed to the public who was standing by and asked for the help.
बट हांवें आयकलो तुवें फॉर 2 days नॉट
ना 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 हे सगळे फोटिंगपणा उलोवपाक खूब जाता पूण
एंड देन यू आर मिसिंग फॉर 2 days.
ना मिसिंग 2 days कितें जालें एक्चुअली थिंगासून म्हाका फोर्स येवंक ना म्हजो
हां
तो येवपाचो फोर्स आसलो
तो येवं
तो पावोंक ना आनी ताका लागून हांवें 2 टायर पंक्चर केले.
हय तें आयकलो हांवें पूण तूं पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर कित्याक वचोंक ना थिंगा.
पोलीस स्टेशनाचेर गेलो जाल्यार पोलीस तांचे म्हूण म्हाका खबर आहा आमी इंटेलिजन्साक काम कोत्ताय म्हणल्यार हेंचे एरिया काम कितें कशें कोत्ताय आनी कशे प्रमाणे करूंक जाय तें तुका पयलींच आयडिया आसूंक जाय न्ही.
आनी मागीर ती आनी तुका कोणें धमकी दिली तुका की
तेणें म्हाका मागीर सांगलें कितें हांव सगळे कोर्ट विकतो घेतलो म्हणून.
हां सगळें
हांवें म्हणलें तुकडे पयशे आहाय न्ही मुकडे देव आहा
हां
आनी देव कितें तें कोत्तलो.
प्रेज द लॉर्ड.
हां प्रेज द लॉर्ड.
पूण हे तुका पर्सनली सांगलें ओ फोन बा करून
ना म्हाका मेसेज धाडली.
ओ मेसेज कशी दुसऱ्या कडेन
दुसऱ्याक
आतां ते SMS म्हाका येना न्ही
ना
WhatsApp.
तेन्ना वॉट्सॅप ना मोबायल नासलो.
हय हय सो कोणा कडेन खबर दिवन धाडली.
हय.
ओके दॅट कॅन बी मे बी नाव इट कॅनॉट बी ऑथेंटिकेटेड फॉरेन तेणें सांगून धाडला हांव ना ते
हय.
तुका आनी कोणें येवन कितें सांगूंक
सांगूं शकता.
हय पर्सनली तेणें काय म्हणूंक ना तुका. ओके एनी इट्स अ गुड पॉयंट एंड हे आनी आमचे देव भारत्यांक आनी आमचे सगळे जे देवाचे भार तोत्ता तांकांय हे बरें व्हडलें दिसांव.
ना
वन ऑड अगेन्स्ट एवरीथिंग.
हां देवाक विसरले जायत आमी सगळे विसरले
सगळं काबार. ओके ग्रेट. गॉड इज ग्रेट.
गॉड इज ग्रेट.
आनी एक प्रश्न आसलो तो चिंतक म्हणल्यार आय हॅव बीन गिवन टू अंडरस्टँड थ्रू सम सोर्सीस नंबर 1 थ्रू द इंटरनेट सम साइट्स की यू have been going or you have gone to the cemetery where this person who got into the scuffle and तू असो तेकडे बोक्सोणे मागतालो और बोक्सोणे मागले अशें एक पावटी 2 पावटी let us not count the number of time but have you gone to ask for forgiveness or something like that?
No, I have gone there to pray for his soul.
Okay.
And for whatever is happened, he was knowing and I was knowing. That was my contention there.
Okay. So it was like self-confession you were doing.
Actually, whatever happened
The
between
truth.
us,
Yes.
it was only 2 of us doing.
Only 2 of you actually knew.
Knew what is in the car and why I have come. He was knowing it.
So he knew it.
So that's why I went to this thing, and this is my judgment is to come from the Supreme Court. So whatever it may be, so I am ready for it.
Okay. So, but you visited the cemetery,
Yes.
this graveyard,
Yeah.
before the judgment came
Before
in?
the judgment.
Oh, great.
Because I wanted to discern him so that he also should know what I am.
But do you have any regret, or do you think that you should visit his family members? Anything is still left in you that conscience tells you?
No, family, I never had any contact with this family. And my job was to develop the informer and cultivate who are doing wrong things.
Okay.
And my action, I have to catch them, whatever it may be, whoever it may be, I don't care. You are a big shot or small shot and this thing, I will catch.
एक गोंयकारांनी हे पिक्चर जे आमचे गोंयकाराचे हिंदीन पयलेच फावटी फुल फ्लेज पिक्चर जे हिंदीन येयला तेजी बायोपिक तेजी लायफ स्टोरी म्हणनाका with certain modulation modifications, and it is come on the OTT platform and has given to understand through Kostambab that this movie will not be screened in theatres. So let us be very clear. सगळ्या गोंयकारांक मागता ह्या OTT प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर आहा झी टीव्ही
G5.
झी5 आसा हे पिक्चर हिंदीन हे गोंयकाराचेर फर्स्ट टाइम a life story of a Goan. Before we come to the conclusion of this, first of all, once again let me tell you की माझ्या मनात जायते दीस जाले भितर डिस्टर्बिंग न्ही हांव एक गोंयकार जावन गोंयान आमी इतले झगडटा स्वता पासून तशेंच गोंयचे आमचे मातये पासून आनी एक गोंयकार जो मुंबयच्या शारान आसा आय कॅन स्टील take little pains, go to Bombay, meet you personally, and it will be a feather in my coffin, Mundata hai. That one day I went personally to interview a government officer. Ajkal Disti Bodana. That would be a message for our youth in Goa, those who are fighting for Goa, those who are fighting against the corruption, those who are fighting against the government officials who are doing corruption. आमच्या गोंयच्या युथाक मेसेज कितें तुजी कटिंग अक्रॉस पार्टी लाइन एंड ऑल
No, I never interfere in the politics and this and that. Actually, our youth should be honest and brave and courageous also, so that wherever, whatever job we are doing, if we do it honestly and courageously, without any hesitations or implications, what will come in the future. But if we are right and doing the right decision for any action of any file or any matter, in that we should not put any favor or this, and we have to put down our foot and do the right thing, what is right for the Goans and the nation.
These are the treasures of Mr. Costa Fernandez, who, so with his due permission, we have got all these treasures of the Goan boy, Fernandez. Aiche Disani, people know him as only Costa. And these are treasures, yes, I don't know, I will not be able to count them today. Now that I take the interview given also now. So, I have never seen this many medals, even in a sports shop. In all day sports shop ko hai. I don't know. Looks like every 10 days you might be winning one medal at least.